Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the 5 best vegetables that are easy to grow right in your backyard. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these veggies will give you a healthy harvest with minimal effort. There's just something so satisfying about preparing a meal with fresh ingredients you've grown yourself. So let's dig in. Let's start with a classic, the juicy, versatile tomato. They're a backyard favorite for a reason. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day. They grow well in pots, raised beds, or directly in the ground. If you're limited on space, try growing a smaller variety like cherry tomatoes in hanging baskets. Just make sure to water them consistently and you'll be rewarded with sweet, juicy tomatoes all season long. Next up, we have carrots. These vibrant orange veggies are not only delicious but also incredibly easy to grow. These vibrant orange veggies are super easy to grow even for beginners. They thrive in various conditions and are quite forgiving. The key to happy carrots is loose, well-draining soil. This allows their roots to grow straight and long without any hindrance. They can be grown in garden beds, containers, or raised beds. This versatility makes them suitable for any garden setup. Plant the seeds directly into your prepared soil, about a ½ inch deep and a couple of inches apart. This spacing ensures they have enough room to grow. Keep the soil consistently moist, and soon you'll have bright orange carrots ready to harvest. Regular watering is crucial for their development. Carrots also don't take up much space, so they're perfect for smaller gardens. Even if you have limited space, you can still enjoy a bountiful harvest. If you want a vegetable that grows quickly and consistently, lettuce is the way to go. Lettuce thrives in cooler weather, making it perfect for early spring or fall gardening. It's pretty adaptable. You can grow lettuce in containers, raised beds, or directly in the ground. It's also a cut-and-come-again crop, meaning you can harvest leaves as you need them, and the plant will continue to grow more. Spinach is another leafy green that's a true superstar in the garden. Not only is it packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Spinach loves cooler temperatures and grows best in early spring or fall. You can plant it as soon as the soil can be worked in the spring, and again in the fall for a late-season harvest. It doesn't need too much space. Even a small garden bed or a few containers can yield a bountiful harvest of this nutrient-dense green. Just be sure to keep the soil moist, especially during warmer months. Consistent watering helps the leaves stay tender and flavorful. If you live in a hot climate, consider giving your spinach plants a little bit of shade during the hottest part of the day. This can prevent the plants from bolting and going to seed too quickly. Harvesting spinach is super easy. Just pluck the outer leaves, and the plant will keep producing more for weeks to come. This method ensures a continuous supply of fresh greens for your meals. Last but not least, let's talk about radishes. These little gems are super fast growing, perfect for instant gratification in your garden. Radishes are ready to harvest in just about a month, and are incredibly low maintenance. Plant your radish seeds in the early spring or late summer about 1 inch apart and a ½ inch deep. Make sure they have loose, well-drained soil to thrive. So there you have it, the 5 best vegetables to grow in your backyard: tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, spinach, and radishes. These vegetables are perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. These veggies are not only easy to grow, but will give you delicious, fresh produce all season long. Imagine the joy of picking your own salad ingredients right from your backyard. Gardening is such a rewarding way to connect with nature and enjoy the flavors of fresh, homegrown food. It's a wonderful activity for the whole family to get involved in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. We have plenty more advice and tutorials coming your way. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time. Keep growing and stay green.